Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, I have started to make some YouTube video lectures for medical school. Some of the pictures and cartoons I use are protected by copyright. My purpose is solely educational, and I don't intend to monetize these videos. Does this qualify as fair use? Okay, good question. So, fair use is a provision of the copyright law that allows people to use others' work for educational, transformative research, commentary, things of that nature. It does not come with a mathematical equation that you can apply to your situation to know for certain whether your use of another person's work is protected under fair use. That determination can only be made by a judge, which is what would happen is if the person whose work you're using thought you were infringing and sued you. So given that this is for medical school, I'm going to guess you're affiliated with a educational institution that may have its own lawyers. So I would check with them to see if they have any policies and guidance on this topic, and maybe they may have rules about what they allow instructors to do or not do. So beyond that, it's hard to say just based on your question, because if you were using a cartoon as some type of demonstrative to indicate, to show a concept or an idea as a teaching tool, that might be protected by fair use. That's the type of thing they would encourage people to do to using other people's work. But if it's merely for educational purposes and it's just to entertain and just because you just felt like putting your favorite cartoon in there just for entertainment purposes, maybe it's not. These situations always come down to the details. There aren't black and white answers I can give to these types of questions. So I hope this has given you a place to begin to start delving into this topic deeper for yourself. I recommend you get input from your school's lawyer if it has one, or they may already have a policy in place that addresses your question. And of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. Thank you for watching. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And if there's a question you want me to answer in an upcoming video, please leave it as a comment below or shoot me an email. But I think that's all I have on this topic for now. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.